All right, this is Ubaid on behalf of Electronics, and in this video, we'll talk about financial capital, okay, as well as financial demand. Okay, now when it comes to your financial capital, okay, your quantity supply should always equal quantity demand. Okay, so this is quantity supply, quantity supplied should equal quantity demand. All right, so this has to do with financial capital. So your financial capital supplied should always equal to financial capital demanded. Financial capital supplied equals financial capital demanded. All right, so that would be your financial capital. Now, when it comes to quantity supplied, okay, when we talk about quantity supplied, we know that the financial capital is supplied through private saving. So these are sources of government borrowing. So private saving, which has to do with S, as well as inflow of foreign income. So foreign income. Okay, and this has to do with imports, takeaway, exports. So foreign income. All right, this will be M minus X. Imports, takeaway, exports. Okay, and this has to equal to your financial capital demanded. And the demand comes from two sources. Okay, number one, okay, is private investment. Okay, so private investment, and this has to do with capital investment by firms and businesses. So private investment. So this is capital investment by firms. Okay, plus you have government budget deficit. Okay, so this is I. Okay, and you have government deficit. And we've talked about government deficit back in the past. When the government spends more than it receives in tax revenue, there will be a deficit. So in this case, this will be tax revenue. Okay, so spending minus tax revenue. So spending is G, take away tax revenue, which is T. All right, so when we rewrite the formula, this is S plus M minus X equals I, which is private investment, plus G minus T, which is government deficit, which has to do with government spending or government borrowing. All right, so this is basically relevant to your financial capital, and this is a confirmation of the theory that financial capital supplied should equal to financial capital demanded. It's more of a law than a theory, but either ways, okay, it has to do with financial capital. All right, so that will be it for this video. On behalf of V Electronics, this is Obey. Have yourself a great day.